Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HubSpot to Zapier for event triggers, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the HubSpot website. Log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. Select Integrations from the drop-down menu. In the Integrations section, look for API Key and click on it. If you don't have an API key, click on Create API Key and follow the prompts. Once you have your API key, copy it to your clipboard. Now, open a new tab and go to the Zapier website. Log into your Zapier account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. After logging in, click on Create Zap in the top right corner. In the Trigger App search bar, type HubSpot and select it. Choose the specific event trigger you want to use from the list provided. Click Continue to set up your HubSpot trigger. Connect your HubSpot account by clicking on Sign in to HubSpot. A pop-up window will appear for you to enter your API key. Paste the API key you copied earlier and click Yes, Continue. Once connected, you can customize the trigger settings as needed. Follow the prompts to test the trigger and ensure it's working correctly. After testing, click Continue to move to the next step. Now, choose the action app you want to connect with HubSpot. Search for the appropriate app in the Action App search bar and select it. Select the action you want to perform with that app. Click Continue to set up your action app. Connect to your action app by signing in with the necessary credentials. After connecting, customize the action settings as needed. Once done, click Test and Continue to ensure the action is working properly. After successful testing, click Turn on Zap to enable the automation. Your HubSpot is now connected to Zapier for event triggers. Monitor your Zapier dashboard to check that everything is functioning as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.